Right, hello, I'm going to show you the Einhell reciprocating saw. This is the small one. This is called a tree pruner, but it's like a reciprocating saw. It's got the blade that goes backwards and forwards. So if we slot the battery in, like so, standard Einhell battery, press the button here, the safety button, and away you go. So the idea of this, it grips the branch and then cuts it. It's very clever. This actually comes off. So if I show you, just press these clips and that comes off. There's a bunch of blades here you can buy. So you can change the blade for different metal, wood, plastic. And the way you do it, you just twist this like so, and then the blade comes out. Simple as that. Nice and easy. So we'll put that back together. Like so. It just slots in there. And obviously clip it. There you go. Make sure that's secure. So there we go. I'll just show you a few bits it can cut. It's got to wear the protective gear, glasses. We've got some padded gloves because of the vibration. Protect your hands. Right, so if we come over here, I've been cutting some up already. So as you can see, it cuts through quite thick wood. I'll just give a demonstration here. This is quite a big branch, as you can see. I'll have a go at cutting it, just to give you an idea. So that grips the branch like so. I'll show you this way. So it grips the branch like so, left or right handed. So if I do that, easy as that. That's quite a thick branch, so it's very easy to use. It holds the branch in place, which is great. Okay, so now you've got an idea. It's basically a reciprocating saw. You can use it for even cutting, you know, probably 4x4 even. Well, I'll probably say 2x2. 4x4 might be a bit tough for it. But I'd say it's pretty good. This is quite a big branch here. Just to show you what it's capable of, that's quite a big branch. Not meant for this, but if I show you, yeah, almost through there. You might have to go round it because it's a bit on the thick side. There you go, thick as that. That is a nice thick bit of wood there. So it just shows you this is quite a good pruner. In fact, this is a reciprocating saw, so if you've got small bits of wood, it's ideal. Thank you for watching.